Let's go outside right now and check out the weather. The weather is also going to be playing ball over the weekend. We know those of you who are coming in from the East Bay, the North Bay, all around the Bay Area, even for travelers flying in for the big game on Saturday, you're going to be seeing some rain, so we're helping you navigate that with Jess. Good morning, Jess.
Absolutely. It's hard when you just look at your weather app and you see a rain icon and you start thinking, okay, how much? What's it going to feel like? What's it going to look like? Especially for anyone going down and watching that game live. This is what we're waking up to. Behind me right now is a live look at the Bay Bridge from our rooftop cam here at KPIX. Let me show you what's happening as we head into the next couple days. Let's start off with the good news and the bad news and kind of just the news in general. What's happening as we head into the forecast this weekend is we do have rain in the forecast starting this afternoon, lasting throughout our forecast tomorrow and all the way into Sunday as well. 4 to 8 o'clock tomorrow night down in the Santa Clara Valley near the Levi Stadium, we are expecting upper 50s and lower 60s with some drizzly conditions in the forecast. But let's actually show you what it's going to look like. It's not too alarming in the grand scheme of things. It's light rain, it's light showers that we're going to be seeing tomorrow, and it's pop-up storms tomorrow too. But what happens is this area of low pressure is starting to build its way in. We're going to start getting a taste of it just around lunchtime today along our coastline up into the North Bay. We're actually going to see some of the heaviest rainfall this afternoon and into the evening hours tonight up in the North Bay with pockets of heavier showers stretching down into the Santa Clara Valley tonight too. Now as we wake up tomorrow morning, more instability in the atmosphere will allow for more light showers and dry conditions at times too. This is just around the 9-10 o'clock hour tomorrow. You know those light storms that move in from the bay where you kind of see some rain off in the distance and then it dries up for a bit? That's what it's going to look like tomorrow heading into our afternoon forecast. This is now into the 3 o'clock hour. See these pop-up showers lightly pushing throughout the Bay Area. It becomes a lot more heavy into the evening hours tomorrow night, early morning hours for Sunday, and we gear up for more rain into our Monday forecast too. Now, if you're not heading down to the Santa Clara Valley to watch the game, maybe you're watching it inside, well, that's the perfect place to be, at least to stay dry. But if you are thinking of heading up to the Sierra Tahoe area, they are under a winter storm watch, which should get upgraded to a warning relatively soon. They could see wind gusts anywhere up to around 45 miles per hour at peak levels. And they could see the highest peaks get anywhere up to around 1 to 3 feet of snow from the exact same system that's bringing in rain for us here in the Bay Area. So let's talk a little bit about what's happening today, just a bit more as we head into this weekend. We are talking about upper 50s and lower 60s in the forecast this afternoon in areas like Novato, all the way over into Antioch and stretching down into the Santa Clara Valley. As we head into the evening hours tonight, we're going to see rainfall all over us, anywhere from Fremont down into the Santa Clara Valley, with our friends up in the North Bay getting hit with some pretty heavy rain too. As we take a look at the Weather Prediction Center's rainfall totals, we could see anywhere up to around 2 to 3 inches fall in total this weekend from the North Bay all the way off into the East Bay, with about 1.5 inches roughly closer to the Santa Clara Valley. So the rain is going to last into Monday. We dry up for Tuesday as we gear up for more rain heading into mid next week.